In this video, I'll guide you through how to make an invoice in Zoho Books with charges step by step so you can bill your clients accurately and professionally. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to send a polished invoice that includes all the right taxes and charges. First, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho account and choose the correct organization if you have more than one setup. You should now be on your Zoho Books dashboard, which is the main home screen where you can see an overview of your finances. From the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to money coming into your business, like estimates, invoices, and payments received. Click on Sales to expand that section and reveal more options. Next, click on Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices list page, where you can see all the invoices you've created so far, along with their status, such as draft, sent, or paid. This is your central place for managing and tracking your billing. To create a brand new invoice, look for a button that says New Invoice, usually located near the top right of the Invoices page. Click New Invoice and Zoho Books will open a blank invoice form for you to fill out. Now it's time to enter the main invoice details. Start by selecting the customer you want to bill from the customer dropdown. If the customer is already in your system, just choose their name. If they're new, Zoho Books will allow you to quickly add them as a new contact. Next, check the invoice date and, if needed, adjust it to match when you're issuing the invoice. Set the payment terms like due on receipt or net 30 so your client knows when payment is expected. You can also review or edit the invoice number if your system uses a specific numbering format. Take a moment to ensure that the currency and any other header details match what you want for this particular invoice. After the main details are set, you'll move on to entering the item details. In the line items section, click to add a product or service that you're charging for. Choose the item from your list if you've already created it, or type a description of the service or product if it's something one-off. Enter the quantity and the rate or unit price. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the line total. If you have multiple charges, add additional line items for each product or service. This is also where you can include any extra fees or charges like setup fees, delivery charges, or hourly work, each on their own line, so everything is clear to your customer. Once your items and charges are in place, select the appropriate tax for each line or for the invoice as a whole, depending on how your tax settings are configured. Use the tax dropdown to choose the correct rate, making sure it aligns with your local tax rules and how your business is registered. Double check that the tax is applied where it should be and not applied where it shouldn't. When everything looks correct, take a final moment to review the totals, due date, and customer email address. If you're happy with it, click Save and Send. Zoho Books will save the invoice to your records and open up an email preview so you can send it directly to your customer with a customized message. After you send it, the invoice status will update and you're done. You've successfully created and sent an invoice in Zoho Books with all your charges included.